This is a short slide to show you our garden in Morocco. Me and my husband. Sunset is amazing on the top terrace. Evenings are just as nice. It's lovely.
Yes, look at this, Lucy. Look, Jinsam. Look,
My
Jinsam.
youngest daughter.
And look at Jasmine. Oh my God, look. Look. Look how she's small there by the Jasmine. Even me. It's too big. Look at that, all this Jasmine. Look how many Jasmine.
Quite peaceful inside. We start planting different flowers. It's doing quite well actually. Our top terrace is amazingly sunny, so the cats loves it. It's a meeting ground for them. Our cactus has sprouted. Tea time is always nice in the garden with our pet. We tried some crafts, which is rather good. Quite successful. Not bad. The sun is always blue. She had an online class with uni, so she had a perfect place to study. Chomping away, Mr. Turtle. Fun time. We ate through the seasonal fruit from December until May. Fascinating cactus fruits are. We do take him out quite often, which is nice. And then this renovation actually killed off 90% of our plants in the garden. The husband really did poorly. The walls has to be replastered and made waterproof. So old. The building is over 500 years old, so please do follow us and see what's next.